Trinity, can you show me where Trey's nose is? Show me where Trey's nose is. Yeah. Go show me. Go point to his nose. Nose, that's right. Oh, okay. Where is his eye? Okay, don't poke him in the eye. Where's his mouth? Go show me where his mouth is. Hey, cutie. Hey. What are you doing? Ow! Tristan, stop. Stop pulling my hair, son. Go play with your brother. Go ahead. Go play with him. You're the one who wanted me to bring him in here. Go. Go play with him. Say hey, Trey Trey. Aww. Thank you. Tristan. That's not necessary. I'm about to take it if you don't give it back. Oh, no, nobody can have it since y'all can't share. Hey, no! That is too rough. Stop.